Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the green energy paradox, when clean solutions replace living systems. Some questions need answers, like are we truly solving our environmental crisis or just creating a new one? What really happens when nature becomes infrastructure? Even with good intentions, replacing living landscapes with technology means life's vital services are lost, and sometimes forever. Forests, savannas, and microbes drive photosynthesis and oxygen. When covered with panels or turbines, these landscapes stop living. Energy function replaces biological function. Phytoplankton, algae, and seagrasses create marine life and oxygen. But turbines and energy farms can disrupt ocean food webs and living cycles. From rivers to seas, plants and microbes turn sunlight into life. When replaced by infrastructure, these cycles are broken and ecosystems lose their pulse. Deserts shape climates far away and shelter unique species. When covered by solar panels, local diversity drops and long-distance nutrient flows may be lost. Even forests like the Amazon can suffer. Studies warn that covering vast lands with energy structures weakens the Earth's natural carbon sinks. When photosynthesis drops locally, less CO2 is absorbed. Globally, even Amazon regeneration may slow due to changes in dust and rain cycles. The renewable energy sector is expanding worldwide, meaning the race for clean energy is real and urgent. But if we move without care, green solutions may end up compromising the very life they aim to protect. Balance is the real challenge. Mega energy projects can have ripple effects. Altered winds, less nutrient-rich dust to the Amazon, and shifting rain patterns threaten not only local but global biodiversity and resilience. Green energy is vital, but its impact on living nature is complex. We must unite climate ambition with ecological wisdom on risk, trading one crisis for another. Support clean energy, demand smart planning, advocate for projects that respect nature's limits, protect ecosystems, and safeguard a living planet for future generations. Our choices today write the future of life on Earth. The future starts now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.